Hi everyone. Finally, we designed the learning system based upon the four steps given here. First one is we have chosen the type of experience, either indirect training experience or direct training experience. Then we have chosen the target function, and it is represented to the learning system by using neural network. And finally, we have chosen the learning algorithm that is predicted the output uh, to move the next step approximately towards target function. If there is any error, then we can reduce that error by adjusting the weights by using least mean square algorithm. So now the performance system, that is learning system, is ready for generating more training example with different hypotheses. So the performance system is receiving a new board state as a input. Suppose my coin is here, this is the new board state which is receiving as a input now. Then it will have the movement towards this direction or this direction. Like that, any other key available here, opponent player, which is also having the movement towards this direction or this direction. So these movements is traced by the software learning system, and which is generating that history of tracing of that particular movements. That movements are giving into the critic section. This section is receiving the trace of game each and every for each and every board states as a input, then which is deciding the next board state. So here the previous board state which is having the training samples. For the next board state, we have received the target function, so that is assigned into the train of B. Now based upon that, which is generating the training sample uh, training samples for each and every board state. Then the training samples are given into the generalizer section. So here, if there is any mistakes, any error between the actual target function and predicted target function here, then we will apply the LMS algorithm to reduce the difference between designed difference between actual output and predicted output. So after reducing the error, we will get the hypothesis v cap, which is the approximate value which is close to the target function v, close to the target function v. Then the target with the target function hypothesis, we are sending into the experiment generator. So here the experiment generator is receiving the current hypothesis with the corresponding examples, then which is generating the new problem, that is the new board state. So new board state based upon that, this previous board state, to improve the performance. So now we got the new board state. So that new board state is given to the performance system. Again, it will calculate to move into the next state from the current board state by tracing the game history. So it will be repeatedly applied to train the learning system by itself again and again to get more experience, that is to gain more knowledge. The learning system is every time is trained by itself. So this is the way to design the learning system. Like the checkers game design, we can design a few more learning systems for the handwriting recognition. So here the problem statement is the task to recognizing and classifying the handwritten words with the images. For example, if I wrote one here A, so here B, it has to be identify the this handwritten characters by using the learning system. So here the percentage of words correctly classified by the system is called performance. Here experience is the database of handwritten words with the given classifications will be given to the system for gaining more experience. And also the robot driving, the task is driving the car or vehicle in the public four-lane highways with vision sensors. The performance is average distance traveled or driven by the robot before an error. That means if there is any mistakes happened while driving, the experience is sequence of images and steering commands has to be recorded in the system while observing a human driver. So human driver is driver experience is given in the form of data set to train the robot based system. So we can design different learning systems by using the previous examples. Thanks for watching.